New InstaPlumb technology allows for a faster and easier install without the need for nuts, washers, tools, primers, or solvents. Anyone can do it. The simple push-to-install, press-to-release connections of InstaPlumb products connect quickly to 1 1/4 inch OD and are great for hard-to-reach or confined areas under a sink. Each InstaPlumb hub has a waterproof O-ring and InstaGrip lock ring to create a secure, watertight, and leak-free connection. Installation is quick and easy. With the P-Trap, 12-inch extension, and Schedule 40 Marvel Trap adapter, you have what you need to get the job done right. After you cut the pipe to size, measure 1.5 inch from the end of the pipe and mark. Next, insert the pipe into the fitting, apply steady force, and push the adapter onto the 1.5 inch Schedule 40 pipe. Measure 1 1/4 inches from the end waist arm and mark. Then, connect the wing nut and install into the Marvel Trap adapter until the measurement mark isn't showing. Next, connect the J-bend to the waist arm. Measure 1 1/4 inches up the tailpiece and mark. Align the 12-inch extension tube to the line marked on the tailpiece and mark where the top of the J-bend meets on the tube and mark 1 1/4 inches down from that mark. Next, cut the pipe square. Be sure to deburr and chamfer. Remove the J-bend. Then install the cut extension tube. Finally, reinstall the J-bend. If you need to remove the pipe, press down on the release collar to disengage the connection and pull the fitting to either adjust or remove it. With the InstaPlumb product line, replacing a J-bend becomes a simple job. InstaPlumb. Faster, easier, and cleaner installation every time.